All this fancy stuff and no gas gauge. Had to come save Mr. LS Subaru because he ran out of gas at work. But at least y'all get to see this thing in the daytime now. And
I don't know if they want to see it in the daytime.
Oh, they want to see it in the daytime. That was like the most commented thing.
They thought they wanted to see it in the daytime. Now
you can see that freshly painted transmission down there. Unfortunately, there's bad news. There's no third gear now. And what was explained to me when I asked him how he lost third gear, I said, is it grinding? Is it clanking? And he told me he had 2 neutrals now. So we think the cone might have separated from the gear, unfortunately, because that really sucks. So what are your plans for transmission now?
STI swap.
STI swap, yeah. So supposedly that would probably hold up. I think it probably would. So let's hope so. But it's got a stage 4 BTR stage 4 cam now, so we're about to get to hear what that sounds like. I haven't heard it, and I'm really excited to hear it. So as you can see, it wasn't going to rain today, but he's got his cups. This is Keon's patented cup on the hood exit thing. He had the QT cup on his Honda.
Yeah.
The turbo Honda. Was it one cup? You had the wastegate coming out the hood too? Or was it going? It was pointing down, wasn't it?
I don't know.
I can't remember. Did you have one pipe in it?
It was coming out.
It was?
Yeah.
So did you have 1 cup or 2 cups?
I only had the 1 cup.
Okay, yeah. It was big enough though, yeah. Yeah, I wish he still had his Honda. That would have been cool to have on video too. That thing was pretty rowdy for what it was. So, yeah, we'll hear it in a minute.
Don't get this on video.
Apparently you know how to use a gas gauge either. At least he's fancy and has the dash. I want the dash.
Stainless steel dash.
Yeah. Oh, is that your switch you're talking about? The toggle switch?
What?
The toggle switch screwed into the fucking...
No, that's for the fan.
Oh. Hell yeah. So wait, where's your cruise switch? You said it was on the steering wheel. Where?
It's over here.
Oh, it's on the side.
I wanted...
Like, of the steering... Oh, right there. He's trying to hook his 2-step up to that. True that. Huh? Do you need help with that?
Okay, I got it. I got it.
Have you still haven't washed this off yet either, have you?
Listen.
Why? It's still good. I don't know what the sound difference is going to be like on this because my camera batteries are dead that I thought were charged. So we're on a GoPro now. But it's almost got gas in, and we're going to come back when he starts it.
Hopefully that was the problem.
Yeah, the cups are coming off. Yeah, it's a lot smoother once it warms up. That sounds good. That sounds really good. What's your idle set to?
I think warming up is at like 12, and then I think after 160 it's at like 1,000. I think.
Okay, that's not bad. That keeps your oil pressure up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that a baffled pan?
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay.
It has baffles on the right here.
Okay. Yeah. I wonder how, like, since it being a front sump, like, I wonder how hard it is to get the oil back up to the front because it's on an angle.
That's what, yeah. I was worried about that.
Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, it's never. It doesn't seem to lose pressure at wide open.
Yeah.
Like when the weight's actually being thrown to the back.
Yeah.
I've done data logs to look at it to make sure I have pressure at wide open.
Yeah, I think it's just from having this really big lines on your remote oil filter. More than likely. So, well, that's cool. Y'all finally get to see it in the daytime.
Caught it at a bad time. It's been throwing up on itself.
Yeah. Let me see. Oh, yeah, I see it. So, wait, what is coming? That's got to be rust.
Yeah.
Yeah. Out of here.
It's been throwing
Wow, you actually, that looks pretty legit.
It worked. It was working properly at first, and now it doesn't work.
It doesn't vent.
Now it just fucking. Because I blew the top off one day, the day that I lost my belt.
Yeah. You should get Gold Peak to sponsor you.
You are not the first person to tell me that.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's see the radiator in the daytime real quick. Yeah. So your lines go under the car, right? Okay, yeah, so they come up the floorboard. Gotcha.
Yeah. It's real fucking just thrown together.
Is it staying cool though?
Yeah. It's getting a little hard. Like in summer, I'm probably gonna have to get a real radiator.
Yeah. So, which pipe blew off that you were talking about?
This one.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh my god. So there was water in the car, even with the hole right here?
Yeah, it was like flooded back there.
Oh god. That's crazy. Yeah, we don't want that to happen again.
Yeah.
Wait, oh, I thought it wasn't on. Oh.
Well, there's your problem. There's your fucking problem.
Oh, yeah. Cool. So, is it, I mean, you can give me a ride in it, right?
Oh, my
Huh? Well, actually, no, I don't want to ride in it.
God. You can race it.
Well, you don't have third gear.
Yeah.
It might be safer, but you scared the shit out of me last time I rode in this car.
I don't know. It almost feels slower to me.
I do want to race you, but now is really not the good, you know, not the best time to be doing that.
Well, I don't have third gear, so I mean, I'm getting fucking gapped anyway.
Yeah, I know. So it's not really too fair. But it just watching you out there, it looks pretty quick. It's definitely got a lot more power than it did before with that cam in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, a whole lot more. So it woke it up for sure.
I think before it fell off around like 55.
Yeah.
Where it felt like it started to fall off.
Yeah.
And now it feels like it pulls good all the way to 7.
Yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, dude, it looks like it.
I don't know how much the lifters are gonna agree with that.
Yeah.
We would do with that when it comes to this.
Well, it's probably not the best time to be ripping around right now anyways.
Yeah,
it's like 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock. And there's a lot of people out. So this might just end here as a little mini update, and hopefully we'll have another transmission in it next time you see it, and we can, well, I really just don't want to ride with you driving. So I'm not going to promise you're going to get in-car footage.
And the STI has shorter gears. So it's going to be more fucking...
Would you let me drive it on camera without me letting you drive my Miata? Still?
Why? Why do you want to?
Because you drive crazy.
I drive a car like it's built to be driven.
Fair enough,
All right.
but with that being said, I don't want to be in the car then.
I'll let you hold the fire extinguisher.
Oh God.
That makes you feel better.
It doesn't. I've got my own fire extinguisher.
This guy was talking to me at work and he was like, that car's gonna blow up. I was like, I got a fire extinguisher in it. And it was like, see, the fact that you keep a fire extinguisher in there is a sign.
Oh God.
Look, safety first, man.
Yeah. Dang. Yeah, safety third.
Airbags plugged in. Oh,
Yeah. And we can't ignore this other Miata that's parked right here. Check this thing out. This is pretty cool. I am totally with it. Got the KBD kit? Yeah. Do what?
I said stainless steel 10mm bolts from work.
Yeah, dude. Hell yeah. Yeah.
my car is half built from work.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. So your
That's
motor
not
mounts came from scrap metal from work. What else came from there?
All the blue zip ties, those are from work.
Nice.
That gold peak bottle is out the trash can from work.
Nice.
The fittings going to it from work.
Sweet.
My start buttons from work.
Sweet.
My kill switches from work.
I like that those same zip ties are still there from the last video. I actually like, they've grown on me and I don't want you to cut the ends off. I think I was talking shit about the ends being there last time, but I like them there now.
People at work like, you don't cut.
I like them there.
Won't even cut the tails off the zip ties.
Is that the zip tie I gave, or no? Somebody gave you that zip tie, didn't they? Or did I give you the zip tie to pull that back from the header?
I don't know. This poor car.
I know.
Oh my, those poor brakes.
You need to give it some more TLC. Yeah.
I was trying to see. I'm in the process of cutting out my heater core box thing here. Just go in there and look at that, and that's fucking torn to pieces.
Oh yeah, I see that.
Because I don't want to drop the steering stem and all that, so I'm trying to cut it out so I can get it out of there.
So you just want the box itself out?
I want all of it out, so I can get to the wires behind it.
Just
And
take
because I'm not going to use it.
Do you got a Dremel and a cutoff wheel?
I got that thing right next to you.
Oh, yeah, I guess that'll... True that. Yeah, I mean, that could work. I mean, what all wires are you trying not to cut, though?
I'd prefer not to cut any of them, personally. Because this is the harness for the cruise control. And it should run back there over to there.
So, I mean, you could have kept heat, though, right?
Yes, but I didn't have the venting, so it wouldn't have really worked right, you know? It would have just shot out the top.
At least you could have defrosted your windshield.
Yeah.
See, I don't have heat at all, so I can't defrost my windshield.
Yeah.
That sucks.
It does.
But, yeah. It's kind of roomy in here, dude. There's a lot of room. Yeah, it's spacious. So, I mean, it is a 4-door, obviously. So, well, I guess this one here is a little LS Subaru update for everyone that was asking about it. So, if you see anything else happen, then it happened. If not, we'll hopefully have some more good stuff in the next video about them. But as always, I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see y'all in the next one. Later, y'all.